L-shaped kitchen design of 2021. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Hi everybody. There are two spaces you really need to invest in: the master bedroom and the kitchen. Today, I will talk about the kitchen. The kitchen is really the heart of the home and needs a couple of things. First, you need beautiful appliances. The countertops should have timeless finishes. A modern kitchen sleek, minimal design relies on clean lines, neutral base colors, and tidy surfaces to keep the atmosphere serene. The style serves as a calm and collected backdrop for what you choose to layer over it. A bold pattern on raw fronts, pops of color in a backsplash, matte or shiny metals and light fixtures or pools. It's a place that makes mornings feel less hectic, and returning to it allows you to let out a sigh at the end of the day. The trick to this style is carefully planning your cabinetry and storage for a well-kept, neutral look, then focusing your imagination on simple ways to bring it to life. Live by the adage, a place for everything and everything in its place. Building in deliberate storage for everything you will need. Your kitchen will stay tidy inside and out, keeping any stray clutter from disrupting your design and your life.